Over the past year, I've created a carnivorous plant garden in an enclosed space. Among the various types of carnivorous plants, I find that the Nepenthes plant is relatively easy to care for. It's quite tolerant of light conditions but does have specific humidity requirements. I tested 3 different types of pots and achieved satisfactory results with all of them. For the 4th project of LeGrow100, I built a planting system for the Nepenthes plant. The lighting measured at 12,000 lux, and the air humidity was increased to 85%. Setup includes 1 humidifier, 2 lights, 1 power supply, 3 straight trays, 8 standard pots, and 1 short pot. This combination is something I hadn't considered before. I redesigned the humidifier's top cover to better secure the lights. The glass water bottle's cap also needed to be slightly adjusted to fit the design. For daily maintenance, I only need to add 1 bottle of water every morning, and that's it. The humidifier runs for about 4 hours before the water runs out and it automatically shuts off. The mist keeps the soil moist, so I believe there's no need for additional watering. The lights are set to turn on and off automatically every 12 hours. I'll let it run for a while longer to observe the growth of the plants. Thank you for watching. Your likes mean a lot to me. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts.